The voice intercom function of LTECH Smart Home Super Panel is officially launched. I will give you a demonstration. Make sure the phone microphone and notification pop-ups is enabled. Then we select the corresponding gateway and click on the voice intercom function. Click on Management in the upper right corner and click on the gateway members that allow calls, and select the corresponding device and save it. We can also set up and add multi-person intercom groups in the management. It is convenient to set up the function of one-click call for multi-person intercom later. For central control screens with built-in buttons, such as SIXS, we can open the screen button settings and bind the voice intercom function. You can achieve one-to-one or one-to-many voice intercom with one click. By opening the voice intercom interface on the screen, select other central control screens in the same family. Make one-to-one calls and achieve voice intercom. In addition to one-on-one voice intercom, the new function, you can also call temporary multi-person intercom through the screen. We can also use mobile phones. Call multiple screens or mobile phones in the same household for voice intercom. Thank you for watching.